how to get a refund on Venmo. So if you want to get a refund on Venmo, maybe you made an accidental transaction to a person and you want to get a refund for that. Well, unfortunately, first of all, it is not up to Venmo to put the refund, because once you have sent the money, it is because you have verified it and entered your transaction PIN. So it is not up to Venmo. However, from the Venmo app, you can request a refund from the other person. Hopefully that other person should be able to see it, and this is up to the recipient who you sent money to whether or not give you a refund of your money, since you made an accidental payment. So to show this to you, simply open the Venmo app, and this is the type of interface that you should see. Here you can simply come to the pay or the request tab that you'll be able to find normally, or select a certain transaction, right? So here just select the person to whom you sent an accidental payment to, and you'll find their name here. But right over there, if you look, you'll find another option, and in this dollars tab on the next page, you'll find what's it for. It says mistaken payment, please refund. So all you have to ask is mistaken payment. Just select this option right here, or you can also type it manually. Then just tap on the request option right there, and once you tap on the request option, hopefully that other person should be able to see it, and if they want to, then only they will be able to give you your money back on Venmo. So this way you can request a refund on Venmo, but to get or not is completely to the other person and not up to Venmo. I hope that this video helped you understand and try to avoid this in the future. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching, and as always, see you in the next video.